Yeah, already ready. We planned this one. Thank you very much, Rhiannon, and of course Bjergsen as well. So 5 games in the books. Here's where things currently stand in the North American LCS. First place, Counter Logic Gaming. 2-0 start to Super Week, and they look great.
In second, it's Dignitas, followed by LMQ and TSM, who are tied for third. Then dropping into 5th place is Cloud9.
Curse still holds on to 6th place, while Complexity and Evil Geniuses are once again tied for 7th. But you won't have to wait long to see how that changes, because we'll be back right here tomorrow with another day jam-packed with 6 matches. That starts with Dignitas versus Team Solo Mid.
Then Complexity will duke it out with Evil Geniuses, followed by LMQ taking to the Rift against Team Curse.
Be sure to check lolesports.com for the full schedule. And of course, tune in Saturday at noon Pacific time, 9 p.m. Central European Summer Time. Of course, that's going to do it for us today. We want to give a big thanks to our analysts, Zyrene and Claky D, for sharing their insight tonight. And now for myself, Kobe, Jat, Riv, Dash, and the entire live broadcast crew, thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your 4th, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.
Happy birthday, America! Competition in the North American League is the fiercest it's ever been.
Uh-oh. Kai's taking a bath right now. Sneaky gets hit up. Do they have an appeal for the rest of the team? Cloud9 is looking every different direction right now, but Sneaky, he's got his eyes on the kill.
CLG. And Prawley.
Going in onto Kaz, he has to be very careful here. He's got some slippery opponents. He's trying to fight a double kick up.
Remember, friendship wins games. The power of love.
Meanwhile, whoa! Zion Spartan just hops over the wall. Counter-Strike almost in range, but Pobelter has to flash directly into the fight again. He gets taken down by Shifter.
And that's going to be a kill picked up on the support. Now C9 in a bad spot, trying to get away from this one. Sneaky goes down, making that 2. Now Meteos under fire. That's going to be another kill picked up. Triple kill for Double. Ready for our final bout of the day, Team Solo Mid versus Curse. 3-on-3 is going to happen. Here we go. Ulti pops as well, and it's a whole bunch of damage. Dominate forced to get away from this one, but goes back into range. Here comes Amazing. They get the kill. Dominate gets traded back, but now Bjergsen's got to be careful. There comes 6, misses the Q. Quad picks it up for the double kill.